stock specific action could better. So Nooresh, I go back to that same point. We are at that point which really matters in terms of the resistance. We are at that global turn which is important. Dollar is down or dollar index is down. Crude is down and VIX is down. Are we in for a last hurrah for 2023? Are we in for a rally which will start before Diwali and could extend till Christmas? I mean, it may start with Happy Diwali and it could well be a Merry Christmas.
So looks like you are setting up for the same because the way we've recovered in the few sessions globally was more than expected. And also the fact that the breadth is good, what it implies is all we need is one or two heavyweights to do that. But if you look at stock specific action, say I would be looking at a possible case for mid cap and small caps to continue to do better. And once we see at least one of the heavyweights take leadership, something like a Reliance, ICICI or HDFC, we could actually go back to 19,800, 20,000 also. So for now, 19,000 for me becomes a base. And as we sustain 19,300, the case for a year-end rally keeps on increasing.
About specific trading ideas then, Vaishali, what are the stocks on your radar this morning?
So, well, to start with, I'm choosing stocks which have long-term trend intact and which has retraced to quite an extent. So, one of them would be Tata Power. Yesterday, we saw, I mean, it has a good support at now on the near-term basis at 220. But for a trading strategy, I would recommend Tata Power as one of the stocks because I'm looking at a positional trade for a target of 252. And of course, for a longer period would be much higher. So, Tata Power at the current scenario. Then the second one I would look at is SAIL. So metal pack on the whole, of course, we saw good pickup coming in. Hindalco, non-ferrous began the rally. But I think SAIL also technically is very well placed right now. With a stop loss of 83, I would look at a trading strategy of 89. Now, the third one which I would look at is actually even cement is showing a good move like Ultratech to start with. So I would lay my bets on India Cements because good corrective move occurred. And with a stop loss of 203, I would now look at 220. So these would be my trading strategies for now.
So those are the top recommendations coming in from Vaishali. SAIL and India Cements is something she likes. What about you, Nooresh?
The first stock is a buy on auto stock Maruti. And overall, the whole auto index per se, most of the auto names have relatively outperformed and are making multi-year breakouts in some cases like Maruti. So Maruti is above the 10,000 mark, which was the high back in 2017-18 and also for the last couple of years. So a big cup and handle breakout here. The retest right now is a good opportunity. A risk reward trade here, stop loss at 10,000, a short-term target price of 11,200. Second is a buy on GAIL India, which has seen a correction from 130, 33 odd levels back to 118, the last breakout point. Has seen a reversal in the last three sessions. Seems like a march back again towards 135 levels, a stop loss at 118.